Karibu sana to Swahili Language School. In today's lesson, we are learning about colors. By the end of this video, you'll know how to say and use basic colors in everyday sentences. Let's get started. Twende kazi! In Swahili, the word for colors is rangi. Here are the 6 basic colors we'll focus on today. Repeat after me as I say the color name. Nyekundu, nyekundu, nyekundu. That is red. Nyekundu. Blue. Blue, blue, blue. Green, kijani, kijani, kijani. Yellow, manjano, manjano, manjano. Black, nyeusi, nyeusi, nyeusi. White, nyeupe, nyeupe, nyeupe. Brown, kahawia, kahawia, kahawia. Gray, kijivu, kijivu, kijivu. Purple, zambarau, zambarau, zambarau. Now, let's practice pronunciation. I'll say each color name slowly and you can repeat after me. Nyekundu, nyekundu. Blue, blue. Kijani, kijani. Manjano, manjano. Nyeusi, nyeusi. Nyeupe, nyeupe. Kahawia, kahawia. Kijivu, kijivu. Zambarau, zambarau. Let's use these colors in sentences. Watch and listen closely. Bendera ya Kenya ina rangi ya nyeusi, nyekundu, kijani na nyeupe. Bendera ya Kenya ina rangi ya nyeusi, nyekundu, kijani na nyeupe. Now it's time to have fun. Are you ready? Now it's your turn. I'll show you an object and you'll guess its color in Swahili. I'll give you a few seconds to think before revealing the answer. Question number 1. Which color is it? Ni rangi gani? Great! The answer is blue. Blue. Question number 2. Which color is it? Ni rangi gani? The correct answer is kijani. Kijani. Which color is it? Ni rangi gani? The correct answer is red. Great job today. Keep practicing to improve your Swahili skills. What's your favorite color in Swahili? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Swahili Language School for more lessons. Asanteni sana na ubarikiwe.